The phone you can see from me looks like the phone Tecno sprak 5R. The problem with this is that its back button, menu button, home button does not work. So I will show you how to fix this problem. At first, swipe up to restart your phone. I restart my device. You restart your phone. Wait few seconds. When phone turn on, I will fix this problem. Tecno sprak 5R. Phone model Tecno sprak 5R. Wait few seconds. When turn on complete, I will fix this problem. Tecno sprak. Now turn on this phone. Type my phone password, device lock password. Sorry. And showing menu button, home button, back button not showing. So scroll up and finding settings option. When find settings option, press the settings option, showing a new interface. So if you want to show back button, press system navigation and press then 3 button navigation, showing back button, menu button and home button. 3 buttons press, showing back button, home button and menu button. So viewers, if